Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Amazon in your browser and going straight to Accounts and Lists. Once done, tap your account and choose your public profile. This takes you to the page that Amazon publishes. You do this because Amazon builds the profile URL from the public profile page, not the account settings, so go there first. Make sure your recent review or displayed username is visible. That confirms you're on the correct public profile before extracting the link. Now focus on the address bar since the profile URL appears there. It often contains /gp/profile or /profile/ followed by an ID or name. If you got to the profile via a review, click the reviewer's name instead of backtracking, because that opens the canonical public page. On mobile, URLs can be shortened, so request the desktop site to expose the full path. You do this to capture the stable URL Amazon uses for sharing. And finally, select the entire address and copy it. On desktop, use Ctrl+C or Command+C, and on mobile, use the Share right arrow copy option. Once copied, open a private browser window and paste the link to verify it lands on the public profile without requiring your login. If it redirects to sign-in or a generic page, make sure your profile visibility is public or use the profile's ID-based URL from /gp/profile. That usually avoids redirect issues. If problems persist, clear cache or try another browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.